Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot, and that is it safe to keep your crypto in Kraken? Now, I'm not going to give you a definitive answer to that question, but I will share some of the things that you should consider before making a decision. First, let's talk about what Kraken is. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2011. It is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Kraken is a regulated exchange, and it has a good track record of security. However, there have been some security breaches at Kraken in the past. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of keeping your crypto in Kraken. Kraken is a regulated exchange, which means that it is subject to oversight by the government. Kraken has a good track record of security. Kraken offers a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. Kraken has a user-friendly interface. There have been some security breaches at Kraken in the past. Kraken's fees are relatively high. Kraken does not support all cryptocurrencies. So, is it safe to keep your crypto in Kraken? Ultimately, that is a decision that you will need to make for yourself. However, I would recommend that you do your own research and weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. You can find more information about Kraken on their website, https://www.kraken.com. You can also find reviews of Kraken on various websites, https://www.trustpilot.com/review/kraken.com. I hope this script is helpful.